Imagine a world of your own creation, or you can see what does exist, where time and space under your command, a world where you can do anything. There is no mistakes and wrong answers. This is the world of modeling and simulation. Welcome back. This is modeling and simulation of discrete systems using Arena Rockwell. This is Ahmed Hamdi and this is the first session fundamentals of modeling and simulation. Today, I'm gonna cover those contents. What is a system, modeling and simulation? Let's start with what is a system. Basically, as we can see in this figure, it's a boundary of some elements. We have inputs, processes, functions, outputs, resources and constraints. And this cycle is representing a system. So those inputs will be processed or have something like functions. This function or this process will be controlled by resources and constraints. And then we have outputs. So this is the basic explanation of a system. Actually, we have different types of systems, like we have open loop system and closed loop system. We have discrete systems. Actually, there is like different categorization of the different types of systems. And now I'll talk about modeling. Actually, we have three different types of models: physical model, mathematical model and process model. For the physical model, it could be something like a real thing, like a plan, building, a statue, something like a car, something like that. For the mathematical model, actually we can consider it as the one use mathematical symbols in relationships to describe something, even some graphs. It could be also a chemical formula. For the process model, it describes the steps we need to follow to get something done, maybe something like a flow chart. With these three types of models, you can model basically anything, like an equipment, a system, some environments, even people behavior. Actually, as we have three types of models, we have three types of simulations. We have live simulation, virtual simulation and constructive simulation. A live simulation is one involves real people operating real systems, like practicing or doing sports, something like that. A virtual simulation is where real people operate simulated systems, like flight simulators, VR games, and driving simulators. A constructive simulation is where simulated people operate simulated programs, something like a traffic, hospitals, or it could be something like a store, something like that. Actually, simulations and different softwares tells us what happened in the future. And this is the summary of simulation. At the end, I'd like you enjoyed this session and see you in next videos. Thank you.